what's up guys? RC Hobby Steve here. In front of me I have a very awesome unboxing to do and products to show you guys. This is the Axial Bomber 2.0. Now this is the, I would say, remake version of the truck. This is something I've been wanting for years since the first version came out, and I've been keeping an eye on it on Tower Hobbies because everywhere else had it out of stock, and then finally I saw Tower Hobbies had it in stock, and they had the one I wanted. They had both the blue and the black, but the blue version is the one I wanted. So today I'm going to share with you guys my very first Axial Bomber and give you guys a little peek at the new and improved Bomber 2.0. Alright, so there it is, the beautiful blue bomber. Just get you guys in focus and ba-bam. Alright, so on the bottom side, I believe it showed the Savvy one. So that's this one. I got the blue one because I wanted the BF Goodrich tires, not the tires that this one came with. So that's the one I decided to go with. So some key features of this new bomber. Can't really zoom in for you guys that well. Let's just take you off the tripod. So some key features are the new Spectrum DX3 2.4 GHz DSMR transmitter. So this does come with the Spectrum SR315 receiver, and this is compatible with my DX4C receiver that I have here. So I don't know if I'm going to be pairing it up with that or just keeping the remote that it comes with. Cool thing about this remote is it has the little thumbstick, so for a person like me that records, I need to drive with one hand. I can do that with this, so it's pretty cool. It does come with the new Dynamite AE 5L ESC with drag brake. This does come with a IC3 plug, so I'm going to be switching out one battery to an XT60, and then also I think the IC3 is an XT60, but I'm not sure. I'd have to check it out because I've never messed with these plugs before. It does come with a 201 ounce torque servo, so this is a really big upgrade, and a metal servo horn, so that's pretty awesome. Same thing with the transmission. You could do 2-speed if you want. I'm not going to do 2-speed. It comes with front and rear lights, so that's pretty cool. So you have racing style light bar, and right here you can see that they have like the little pods. And hood release, easy access electronics right at the bottom, and 3-piece beadlock wheels, which is pretty cool. There you go. So I'm gonna go ahead and take the truck out, show you guys what's inside the box, and yeah, let's check it out. Alright guys, so here it is. This thing looks better than expected. It's definitely on the skinny side. I thought it was going to be a whole lot wider, but it definitely does sit up pretty high in the front, like if you look at it from over top, but from the front it actually looks pretty cool. I do plan on doing my whole shock mod that I usually do to all my trail trucks. Basically you put a spacer inside the shock and it brings the shocks down just a tad, because I don't like so much flex, and I know this is like a rock racer, but even with flex like that I'm fine with. So just some simple mods. I know some people take out the spare tire, so let's see if I can take it out here. I don't know if people cut off the back piece or if it's just removable with the screws that sit there. So that's something I'm gonna have to find out on my own. Boom, 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 boom. There we go. So very nice tire. This does have the beadlock design, so you can see there. So not bad. It's 5 screws in the back, and then you have your changeable hexes, which is also good. So pretty cool. Tires feel very, very, very sticky. So I'm looking forward to see how these perform outside, especially with it getting so hot outside. It did come with a nice parts bag. I'm going to open this up real quick and share it with you after I tell you about some stuff on the truck. So I did already order some upgrades while the truck was heading its way. I do have a new power plant for this. I'm not going to keep it brushed for too long. I'm looking to see which trailing arms I want to go with, but overall, I don't have much. I know I have some steering links coming from it for it and some other cool items. So yeah, you have your front battery tray. It's a little plastic holding here. So this is a very cool design. Battery slides right in there. Then you have your little connector here, nice and long, right there. So that's not too shabby. Everything is waterproof, so that's also good, just in case if I decide to run in water, but I don't think I'll be running in much water. We'll see, knowing me. Yeah, overall everything is good. Wildbore HD drive shafts. So those are very, very durable, and I can back that because I still have them in my SEX10 too, and my truck is heavy as hell, and it just hasn't broke on me. Nothing's happened. Here are the lights. Focus on that right there. So front light bar, side pods, and then if I just turn it around here, has that nice rear piece with 2 LEDs. I do plan on getting 2 more. So yeah, let's just crack open this parts bag right here and share with you guys what's in here. And then they have a very big manual, so I'll be checking that out later. I'm going to put this on the floor, and I'll be back. Alright, so I finished laying out most of the parts bag. So it did come with extra head pieces for the drivers. So like the usual dirt bike guy, you can see here, and your skull guy. So that's pretty cool. And then it came with a full light bar kit kind of thing that you can do it yourself. So these are the 2 different sizes. And then you have your lens pieces and then the mounting hardware as well. And then it also came with some extra shock hardware for the King shocks. And just to give you an idea, I use these size spacers right here. I don't know if you can see that. Hopefully it focuses. There we go. I use those size spacers, well, these size right here. Then I put it inside the shock body. These are usually used as bump stops, but I put them inside the shock body just to make the shock shaft a little bit shorter, and it gives that more scale suspension. And then in this bag you have like your transmission, the back piece where it has the gas tank, I think it's called. So yeah, some miscellaneous items here, and then it just came with one of the pieces for the drive shaft, which I don't really think I need. I have a couple, which is good that I found this one, and then some more ball ends, but I might be hitting up Snowmod RC for some of his bomber balls that he makes. They're 3D printed, so those are pretty cool. So yeah guys, that's basically my little unboxing of this beautiful rig. I'm looking forward to doing some simple upgrades. I have to check if the battery connector that I have fits this one, so that way I can just solder it up to the battery and I'll be good to go to drive it for the first time. I might also tape up the holes in these wheels, but like I said, I'm gonna have to test it first, see how everything is. I already have a sway bar coming for it, so I know you guys are gonna bombard me about that, so don't worry, I already ordered the Axial sway bar for the rear, so that's coming. But yeah, I expect a lot of videos from this. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll catch you in the next one. Hey, what's up, guys? Thanks for tuning into today's video. I wanted to share with you guys my Teespring account real quick. So we have here on my laptop, I have some comfort tees, some classic tees for women, some comfort hoodies, retro design RC Hobby Steve shirts and sweaters, and also tank tops. I will have the retro design for the comfort tees, but at the moment this is all I have. So feel free to hit the link down in the description where you can access my Teespring account. There are different colors when you press on the clothes. So for the comfort tees I have black, blue, white, so forth. The same thing for everything else. So like I said, feel free to check my Teespring account out. If you see something that you like, go ahead and purchase it. I greatly appreciate it. All the earnings I'm going to be receiving from my Teespring account, I'm deciding to use to purchase stuff to give away to you guys as a thank you for supporting the RC Hobby Steve community. So once again, thanks for viewing today's video, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace, guys.